Theodore. Palakpakan once again. Alright, now, ang Melvin, it's your turn. Imuhan na pong torno o natin gitawang Melvin nga walay sukod sa bawas. Ito ni bahala sa inyong wapa nga asawa. Come on.
Ang plato! Yep, because now.
There you have it. Palakpakan once again. So can I have that? Okay, this time at this juncture, why creates several forms of love between their ups and downs. They have Camelot up to this precious moment. So let's bring out the good wine, the wine of life. Okay, so at this point, i-X na ang kabuhay. So before we will take their official toast, I want everybody to please join me. And let's join them for a toast of cheers. Now, and 3, 2, 1, everybody say cheers!
Cheers!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations! Palakpakan naman natin the newest member of Mr. and Mrs. Lariosa. Ang palahubog, teka ha? Tagay ko lang itong gainom. Okay, now, before we will take our lunch, as I have noticed, mura ganahan mo aning apart. I want the couple to give us a 10 seconds kiss na dapat di maputol. E kung maputol, balik mo sa kamunda niya, maglakaw mo pa doon diri. So madlang people, help me to count from 10 down to 1. Now ready? And 3, 2, and go! Come on! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, good luck! 4, simul na rin! 2, sorry ha! 3, 4, good luck! At hindi lang, igutom na mo niya. Hindi mo makutangan na mo? Okay, lagi mo. And 1, magpala!